Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Gemini to N8. This integration allows you to leverage Gemini's powerful AI capabilities directly within your automated workflows, opening up possibilities for audio analysis, text generation, and much more. Let's walk through the setup process step by step. First, navigate to N8N.io in your browser and enter your login credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your N8N dashboard. Look toward the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the Create Workflow button. Go ahead and click on it to begin building your integration. You'll now be taken to the N8N Workflow Editor. Here you'll notice two options for creating your workflow. You can either build manually using the Add First Step option, or you can leverage the Build with AI feature. For connecting Google Gemini, we'll be using the manual approach as it gives us more control over the integration process. To start connecting Google Gemini to your N8N workflow, click on Add First Step. This action will trigger a right side panel to slide into view. Within this panel, locate the search bar at the top and type in Google Gemini. From the search results that appear, click on the Google Gemini option. You'll be presented with various actions and triggers that you can utilize to integrate Google Gemini with N8N. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll select Analyze Audio as our action, though you're welcome to explore other options based on your specific needs. Once you've selected the Analyze Audio action, a parameters window will open up. This is where you'll configure how Google Gemini interacts with your workflow. Before filling out the other fields, you'll need to add the API key for your Google Gemini account. Click on the credential to connect with drop-down menu and select Create New Credentials. This will prompt you to enter your Google Gemini API key. Now open a new browser tab and navigate to aistudio.google.com. If this is your first time accessing Google AI Studio, you'll be greeted with terms and consent agreements. Click on both checkboxes to agree to the terms, then click on I accept to proceed. Once inside, look at the left side navigation menu and scroll down to the bottom where you'll see the Get API Key option. Click on it to access the API Keys management page. On the API Keys page, click on the Create API Key button. A Create New Key window will pop up, prompting you to enter a name for your API key and choose a project from the drop-down menu. Fill in these details according to your preferences, then click on Create Key. Once your API key has been generated, click on it to view its full details, then copy the key to your clipboard. Head back to the N8N tab where you'll paste this API key into the designated API key field. Once you've pasted it, click Save to store your credentials securely. Now that your credentials are set up, you can customize the actions of this workflow step. Start by filling in the required fields such as resources and operation. Choose a Gemini model from the drop-down list that best suits your use case. Add your content in the text input field and select an appropriate input type from the drop-down selection. These settings will determine how Google Gemini processes your data within the workflow, and that's it. You've successfully connected Google Gemini to N8N and configured your first workflow action. You can now leverage Google Gemini's AI capabilities to analyze audio, generate text, or perform other AI-powered tasks directly within your automated workflows. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.